Taking it to clear my doubts, cleared out all the clutter, I'm no longer seeing clouds. Yeah, you deserve much better, you deserve much better, and I deserve a chance at new love. I don't want nobody else, you know that you want as hell. I got ahead of myself, finishing races I'll never begin now. I don't want nobody else, you know that you fun as hell. I got ahead of myself, keep on telling myself, don't rush, crush, don't worry about it, don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, it's a little crush, just let go. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, it's a little crush, need to worry about it, don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, it's a little crush, just let go. Don't need to figure it out. To worry about it, don't need to figure it out. Now don't rush, it's a little crush. Late nights, been a long flight, stayed on. Strange time, it's a strange time in my life. I took a drive home to clear my mind, and I ended back at your spot for what felt like the millionth time. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we're way too involved now. I never wanted someone to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control, I let you in too close. So baby, just go ghost. Now baby, just go ghost. called, I let you in and 4 walls. Kept our secrets hidden, eating fruit so forbidden. Kept our secrets safe, cause the temptation, it felt like pure relation. I gave you my attention, but now it's hard to mention. I don't feel a spark when you say my name. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we'll wait to evolve now. I never wanted someone to disappear, to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control. I let you in too close, so baby just go ghost. Ooh. Now baby just go ghost. Ooh. I never wanted someone to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control. I let you in too close, too close. I never wanted someone to disappear, to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control. I let you in too close, so baby just go ghost.
Deep within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow, a drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above? I just need one, diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. Hold my breath, looking up. Life moves in waves that keeps changing. Catch a glimpse of what was you and me. It's gone again. Sinking in, back on the shore. One foot in front of the other. Close my eyes and feel you hold my hand just like you used to back then. These hopes dance high like sparks before they go out. But in that second, you're still mine. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. I know I'm floating on this dream, but soon comes morning. For now I'll embrace our wondrous sea.
you go. All I do is fall.